Hey Ethereum! Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top for Best High Quality Lock Review 2025.
Number 4.
It is superior to TTLOCK and Tuya versions, and can be connected to it through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It can be set up in Arabic and can be remotely unlocked with just one click, allowing for remote management at any time. Super convenient settings. The app will automatically display the language of your phone, and you can complete all settings in Arabic or any other language. Alexa currently only supports USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Cent, Italy, Brazil.
Number 3.
Specifications: power supply, dry battery, protection level, no waterproof, model number F008, fit door thickness 40-70 centimeters, suitable door type, steel door, wooden door, brass door, stainless steel door. Other included components list, finish type, other.
Number 2.
French style, Nordic style, American style metal material mechanical door lock. Reliable quality and beautiful workmanship. It adopts wire drawing, polishing and high temperature sealing process, which has good anti-oxidation and anti-rust effect. Can be used for furniture decoration, home decoration, bedroom door, children's room door, villa door, toilet door, office room door, bathroom door, school door handle, etc.
Number 1.
Parameters. Support country languages: Chinese, English, Russia, Portugal, Spain, Indonesia, Arabic, Vietnam. Fingerprints 100 users. Fingerprints plus password plus a card capacity 300 users max. Administrators number 9. Password length 8 digits. Power input DC for the 8V. Low power alarm for 8V. Standby current 45 watt.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.